Yesterday afternoon, Thursday 8th of July, a heavy storm with rain and hail hit the Italian province of Milan. The phenomenon first began in Piedmont and then reached Lombardy. Hail and strong gusts of wind, in particular, hit the southern regions, from Navigli to Rozzano. In Rozzano, a municipality in the province of Milan, dozens of parked cars were damaged by hail the size of a tennis ball. At the Fiordaliso shopping center, hail even broke through the roof. There were several dozen phone calls to the fire department for help. Fire brigades are working to eliminate the consequences of a natural disaster. At the moment, no injuries have been recorded. The Varese area also has several municipalities affected by this wave of bad weather. In particular, we are talking about settlements near Lake Maggiore. Traffic on Provincial Road 43 was interrupted by a falling tree after a pickup truck crashed into it.